Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to Auto Repair. In today's video we'll be learning about the symptoms of a bad knock sensor. The knock sensor plays a crucial role in your engine. Its job is to send signals to the ECM, engine control module, when it detects unwanted vibrations, like an engine knock. What's an engine knock? It's when there's an extra mini detonation after the spark plug ignites. The knock sensor detects these vibrations, creates an AC voltage, and sends this information to the ECM. The ECM then adjusts the ignition timing, or changes when the spark plug fires, to prevent further damage. Let's dive into the top symptoms of a failing knock sensor. First symptom is check engine light. Common codes include insert codes if known. To read these codes, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. I've linked the one I use and recommend in the description below. Second symptom is poor performance. A faulty knock sensor can cause your vehicle to feel sluggish, with reduced acceleration and overall poor performance. The ECM may mistakenly think there's a detonation, adjust the ignition timing unnecessarily, and reduce combustion efficiency. In some cases, the ECM may even limit your speed to protect the engine. Third symptom is poor fuel economy. When the ignition timing is improperly adjusted, it reduces combustion efficiency, leading to lower gas mileage. So, if your fuel economy suddenly drops, a bad knock sensor could be the culprit. Last symptom is knocking or metallic noise. If the knock sensor fails, the ECM won't correctly adjust the ignition timing to prevent unwanted detonations. This can result in a metallic knocking sound while the engine runs. Before you replace the knock sensor before concluding that your knock sensor is faulty, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for torn wires or corrosion, as these can cause similar symptoms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment for any question, and don't forget to subscribe.